Hi everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to make very healthy food. It's cauliflower fritters. And it's so easy to make and there are only few ingredients you will need. So here are the ingredients. A tablespoon of corn flour, a half cup of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, salt and pepper, and of course, the cauliflower. So all you need to do is cut cauliflower and mince it. The cauliflower should be minced. So the cauliflower should be like this. So let's add the other ingredients. A tablespoon of corn flour, one half cup of flour, then salt, and pepper, and mix together. I'm a pepper lover. I'll put more. Then the eggs. Mix together. Because I have so much cauliflower and egg is not enough, so I will put two more eggs. Right. Now it's looking good. So prepare a non-stick pan for frying, but I put a little bit of oil. Put it in a low heat. Cook it, fry it slowly. Then turn it around. The color should be like this, brownish. Then transfer it on a plate. So that's it. Beautiful. Looks yummy, yummy. Then you can use this mayo or tomato sauce for the fritters. That's it, everyone. Hope you enjoy watching. You can cook it easily. Thank you. Bye-bye.